This is Jess from JessHuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the arms as you're crocheting the body of your loop stitch amigurumi project. Soon, I'll be doing a similar tutorial for patterns made with a standard single crochet. I'll link to that tutorial in the video description when it's available. At this point, you should have crocheted rounds 1 through 29 of the body, attaching the legs and the tail where indicated. You should also have 2 completed arms that are slip-stitched closed with the tail hidden inside the work. The next step is to mark stitches on the body that will show us where to attach the arms as we're crocheting the next round. Mark off 6 stitches on each side of the body with the tail centered in the middle. These markers will show you where to start and stop attaching each arm as you crochet round 30. So to do that, I'm going to fold my last completed round in half, centered on the tail. And then I'm going to mark off 2 groups of 6 on each side, centered in the middle of this fold. Just do the best you can, and we will adjust it if necessary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll flip it and do the same on the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This here is a gap between where the 2 arms will be. And I'm just making sure that it looks centered above the tail, which I do think it does. So we'll go ahead and crochet round 30 until we hit the first group of marked stitches. For me, that's just 1 stitch, and it's okay if that's different for you. Remove the first stitch marker and align the arm, making sure the front is facing out and the top of the arm is aligned on the loop side of the work. And we're going to attach the arm by crocheting both through the stitches on the body and across the slip stitches on the arm, stitch for stitch. Now we'll do a loop stitch. And we're going to do that all the way across. Okay, and then we're going to continue loop stitching until we hit our second group of marked stitches. Okay, we're going to remove the next stitch marker and align our arm, making sure that The front is facing out, and the top of the arm is aligned on the loop stitch side of the work. And we will attach it just like the first arm by inserting our hook through a stitch on the body and then through one of the slip stitches at the top of the arm. One, two, three, four, five, six. So both arms are now attached, and I'm going to finish crocheting the rest of the round. Alrighty, round 30 is now completed. You can go ahead and crochet the rest of the body as your pattern is written. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!